Find the three consecutive counting number whose sum is 30. So first, we are going to represent a consecutive number. So when we say consecutive, it means magkasunod. Okay? So if our first consecutive number is x, the second number must be x added by 1. And our third number must be x added by 2. Okay? So after representing a consecutive number, next is to set up an equation. So in our given, we are asked to find the sum of these three numbers. Okay, so x, that is the first number, added by x plus 1, which is the second number, added by x plus 2, which is the third number. So this is translated as equals, then write down 30. And this will be our working equation. So we're now going to simplify them. I just remove the parentheses, then 1x plus 1x plus 1x is 3x. Plus 1 plus 2 is positive 3, write down equals, write down 30. Next is simplify them. So we will add negative 3 to both sides because our aim is x will be left alone here. So 3x is now left on the other side. 30 minus 3 is 27. Then finally, we can divide both sides by 3 so that in this side, 3 divided by 3 is 1 and 1 times x is x. Then on the other side, 27 divided by 3 is 9. Therefore, our x is 9 and that x is the first number. If x is the first number, the second number is, if x is 9, therefore the second number is 9 plus 1, which is 10. The third number is 9 plus 2, which is 11. And these are the numbers that what we're looking for. To check, since these three consecutive numbers are expected to have a sum of 30, so 9 plus 10 is 19, plus 11, it makes 30. So these are the three numbers. For the given number 2, find the two consecutive whole number whose product is 20. So in this case, since we're looking for a consecutive number, so we'll represent them. The first number as x and the second number must be x added by 1. So in this case, we are asked to multiply them. Okay? And it should be equal to 20. So this will be our working equation. The first number times the second number is, this is here is represented by the equal sign, 20. Okay, so the next step is simplify our working equation. So x times x is x squared. X times positive 1 is positive x. Write down equals, write down 20. Then we want this 20 to be transposed to the other side. But the right process for that is subtracting both sides by 20. Okay, so that x squared here plus x, then write down minus 20. Then 20 minus 20 is 0. So it's the same as transposing 20 to the other side. Why did we do that? Okay, because we want this left side, we want to make it a general trinomial form so that we can factor them and later on we can find the value of the x. So x squared plus x minus 20 is factorable. We're going to use our skills in factoring in our previous videos. And the factors of x squared plus x minus 20 is quantity x plus 5 times quantity x minus 4. Then write down equals, write down 0. Then to find the values of x, we will equate each binomials into 0. So x plus 5 equals 0. Then x minus 4 equals 0. Then let's start finding the value of x on the left side. So add negative 5 to both sides. So 5 plus negative 5 is 0. X is left alone here. And 0 minus 5 is negative 5. So on the other side, the same process. We want x to be left alone. So we will add 4 to both sides so that this one becomes 0. So 0 plus x is x. Then 0 plus 4 is 4. Okay. So notice that we are looking for a whole number. Therefore, a negative number is an integer. So it means this one is rejected. We will only accept positive 4. Okay, so this will be our first number. So if our first number is 4, the second number is 4 plus 1, which is 5. Okay, so let us check if it will coincide to our problem. So in our problem, we are asked to find the two consecutive number whose product is 20. So let's find the product. 4 times 5 is 20. Therefore, 4 and 5 is correct.